Time wasting videos, part 1. Evidence 1, bird feathers. What? Where has the bird gone? Where? Where's the bird? Takeshi, what happened to the bird? Oh. Maybe it's under there, Takeshi. Maybe it's under there. It flew out of here. Where's the bird, Takeshi? Maybe it's gone. Maybe it's still in there. Maybe. Maybe it's back in the Takeshi. Maybe. Bye bye, Takeshi. Another bird saved. Alright.
Hey!
Is it in there? Takeshi? Maybe it's back in there. Maybe it went in. Maybe it went in. The bird's in there. Come back. Maybe you left it. Maybe you left it. It's a bird. Maybe it's up here. Oh! Was that in the bathroom? Is it there? I don't know, maybe it's there, Takeshi.
You're so mean.
Do you see it?
You miss the door down.
Just checking. Oh yes, and that's finale. No, Takeshi, no, I just beaten it.
What's he doing?
Drinking from the toilet.